Now, guys, now this is the game of survival craft. But it's not an expand mod, so because this is my favorite mod. Now, now these things are going to smallest to biggest in battle. So I made it the smallest because it's not the smallest. So I'm going to pick the wild boar. Who will win? Piranha or wild boar? 15 health and 1 damage for piranha, and, and 25 health for wild boar and 1 damage just like piranha. Huh. Am I right? It's 15 damage. Cause you might guys laugh at me. Bro. Piranha 1. Next, Grey Wolf. Unless the Predator. I think I need to kill the others. I thought it was the low health one. I think I need to restart auto again. I was not paying attention. I can win a battle because werewolf is like, this wolf is like a wild boar. 25 and 1 hit damage, I mean. Every shot that the piranha is faster than. It looks like we're going to for another match. Lion. These two are both going to lose. Lion versus a big cat. So it will stay in this place. Now it won. Oh, this is now a hard level. This is a medium. This is for average animals only. A strong one. 20 health and 1.5 damage. This thing has 33 health. The lion won because it has 33 health. They still have on the right push. Their same pushy. Oh, this is really hard to fight this thing. And he attacks you first. Oh my. Okay, the bull shark won. Next, the largest cat and the strongest cat. 40 health and 4 damage. Bigger. It's stronger than. Wait. No. You cannot escape my drill. Just stay here. So I damaged him when he. What will? Who's stronger? In the fast bite attacker. Final shot. I know it. Yeah. No. I guess it won the game. This polar bear can withstand any attacks. Unlike the damage is still the same. Oh my gosh. Defeated everything. How brutal. They are so powerful. Even this rhino can defeat anything in its spot. It's a predatory animal, but it. Oh, I forgot. This tiger shark can withstand its attack, but oh, that two-shotted the rhino. He two-shotted the rhino. Oh no, he has to eat some food. Chomp, chomp. I thought the rhino would win though. Never mind, because these are the cold ones. These are the legendary ones, and these are the only the tiger shark should fight. The bigger one. I know the underwater animals. See the deep sea creatures, because it's you can see it on the shore. Tiger shark should fight more. See the largest animals. This beluga whale is my favorite though. It dies from my attack. Next, the beluga won. I think this tiger shark get distracted by some of his attacks is a savage. Whenever you do not fight. When you are an orc in this game, you should fight this. This tiger shark is nonsense. Aha, I have an idea to kill this faster. Tiger sharks will do. I will team up with this annoying tiger shark until the orca bites out of yes. Yay! Because the tiger sharks are easy to kill though. Okay? Guys, thanks for watching for me and subscribe for more and see you tomorrow. Bye!